Hey, welcome to this Business Abundance Secret Series. And today I'm going to share something amazing where what has been searched by many people. Hi, this is Kumar Gaurav, Business Abundance Coach. As you have heard recently, what just now I shared that I'm going to share some secret which has been searched by many entrepreneur, many enterprise, many business owners, and in case you are solopreneur, this is going to help you. What I'm going to talk about, I'm going to talk about which is something interesting, and that is about how to earn maximum profit. How to earn what? Maximum profit inside your business. And to do so, I'm going to share some quick step. But before we talk about the profit, let me tell you this one very important thing, that always a profit starts with your mindset. Do you have the proper mindset to earn the profit? That's number one. Number two, do you have proper skills to attract profits? Do you have proper tools to have more and more profit tracking? Until unless you won't track, you won't know in which direction you are going. Having said so, let me quickly share some key things which will be useful for you in 2023. Let me repeat. These are going to be the helpful things which will be helping you in 2023. Yes, you heard it right. These ideas are basically for 2023. Having said so, let me quickly share my screen and bring you the profit series, that how you can build more and more profit. So I'm going to share my screen quickly, and here on screen I'm going to ask you how to earn more profits in 2023. Let me quickly define it. First, as I shared, was what? Do you still remember or not? So if you don't remember, let me quickly bring you. I quickly told you that you need to work on 3 items. What are 3 items going to be? Okay, looks like I'll have to switch or change the type of the structure. So I'll be changing the structure. Okay. This is going to be the structure. Yeah, that's right. So 3 things I'm going to quickly share you. In mindset, what should have? The first one, which I asked you, which I told you, that you must have the mindset. You must have the mindset. Okay. You must have the proper skill. Okay. And you must have proper tools. But do you know that in 80% areas, it is all the contribution of mindset. So let me rewrite it as 80% mindset. All right. So if you have known this as 80% mindset, so for having such mindset, I am telling you 3 elements over here. How many? 3. So first one, I'll quickly tell you, but just now I have told about 3 elements. Here, I'm going to jot down these 3 elements for you. The very first element inside the mindset itself is sage words. Okay, what are your sage words to earn more profit? What you are using every single time. If you want to know more about the sage words, you can relate it with the affirmations, but exactly these are not affirmation. For calling sage words, for claiming sage words, for speaking sage words, you need to do much more things at your inner core level. So if you want to know about what are these sage words, you need to go back and listen to my program, which is about MFP program. Okay, it's Money Foundation program, and there you will find what is sage words. So quickly, if you have not so far hit the like button or subscribe this video or share with your friends or tag your friend, go ahead, do that, because why I'm here, I'm on a mission to help almost 100,000 individuals who are dealing with the cash. This is going to be useful for you in 2023. Where? In 2023. How to earn more profits in 2023? You are going to apply sage words. Then you must have the goal written about it. Written goal. What is your target? Okay, what is your target for this? That you are going to use it. Then third item, what is going to be? The third item is very, very important, my dear friend. Listen very closely. Pay attention very closely. If you have not taken notes and pen and paper, just have it. And here you are going to have what? 80% mindset, sage words, written goal, and then visual board. So what is visual board? For that, you must wait for my next video, or you should come to my masterclass, which is www.withkumargaurav.com/masterclass, where I talk about more details inside that what is the 3 secrets of business abundance, how you can recover more money, how you can recover your stuck money, how you can increase your profit, how you can crack the surprise deals, how you can retain customer, and how you can gain more repeat orders. What are 3 secrets behind that? There I talk about the visual boards. Now let's talk about the skills, what comes in. So there are 3 skills as well I will be talking. So let me pull it for you. So 3 skills are your daily rituals, where you can repeat your mindset. Are you working on it? So you must have that. Okay, daily rituals. Yeah, you heard it right. As your daily rituals, my dear friend. So let me type in here daily rituals. Now, is it sufficient? Is it only the things? No, it is not only the things, but it has worked in 2022 lately for many of the individual entrepreneurs. So it is going to work for you. Then it is going to Creed. For Creed, you can download my Creed, that is withkumargaurav.com/Creed, and you will be able to download it. Okay, so that is the part of skill, and you must have the visualization skill. For that, I have a free training program related to your subconscious mind, basics of subconscious mind. You need to tag me, or you need to request me, or send me email, connect@withkumargaurav.com, and I'll be sending you one link where you can gain the access to the free course. And through email, I'll be giving you more and more ideas about that. So what did I say? I said about this BSCM formula. Okay, that is kind of a course, that skill you should have, and everyone in the industry, they are using. Now, to track them all, you can use few Google Sheet. Okay, where you have these goals and you are tracking your goal. Okay, so that kind of tool you can use. So Google Sheet is one of the tool. Then drag.io, if you have team and you are connecting with them, and then you can have this simple thing in Excel as well. So having said so, do you find it really tough? It is very simple thing how to earn more profit in 2023 in a very simple way. This was all about I wanted to share with you. If you loved it, once again, I want you to go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you're showing up for the first time, interact with me, send me email, and I'll continue to give you more and more profits through email itself. I am sure that you are going to love it. You were listening to Kumar Gaurav, Business Abundance Coach. Love, light, blessing. I hope you loved it. Show me some love and try to join my VIP private group, where I'll be talking more about this continued profit. I have one workbook related to this. I have one template related to this. If you want, I can share how to have continued cash flow in your business. For that template or checklist, whatever you want, just tag in this chat window and I'll share out that with you. You can just send me email or at connect@withkumargaurav.com, and I'll be happy to share that with you. Once again, share this. Subscribe to channel, like, and hit the bell icon whenever I'll be coming live to you. It is not going to be very difficult for you. And in case it has helped you, please share with your loved ones. Thank you so much. You were listening to Kumar Gaurav, Business Abundance Coach, for your business abundance.